Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hello everyone. I am Nur Aisyah Zara binti Muhammad Firdaus from Arazi TV. Friends, in the era of globalization, the world of education doesn't left away from experiencing rapid change. The development of technology, access to information without borders, as well as competition at the international level have completely changed the educational landscape. The use of digital material in education plays an important role in empowering the country's education system. With the development of technology, digital material such as e-books, interactive video, simulation, and online learning platform can improve the effectiveness of teaching and learning. Friends, let's review teachers' opinions about the use of digital material in education. Assalamualaikum, Sidin.
Waalaikumsalam. Hi.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, based on your understanding, can you explain what digital materials are?
Okay, in simple words, digital materials means any materials that we can access through our screen, okay, through our phone screen, computer screen, or tablet screen. Okay, for example, like online article, websites, ebook, and even games.
Sir, what is the purpose of using digital material in education?
Okay, for me, the main purpose is to encourage self-learning among our students. Okay, other than that, they also can learn through online platforms such as right now in Malaysia, we have a lot of content creators or educational channels that offer learning content to our students. Okay, and lastly, students can learn in a fun way, okay, through online games where they can compete with their friends. Like what I've been doing with my class. Okay, after class, I will conduct a quiz session using quizzes. Okay, come, let me show you. Okay. Here, this is the example of English quiz, okay, that I do with my class, and they really enjoy.
Assalamualaikum, Sir Rakib.
Waalaikumsalam.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, you are.
Sir, in your opinions, how are digital material beneficial in strengthening our national education?
Well, in my opinions, definitely digital materials could strengthen our national education. Firstly, for accessibility and inclusivity, digital resources have bridged educational gaps by providing access to quality learning materials, even in remote or underserved areas. This ensures that students from different backgrounds receive equal opportunities. Secondly, interactive digital content such as videos, simulations, and gamified lessons makes learning more engaging and encourages student participation, improving retention and understanding. Lastly, as for me, as an educator, digital materials provide teachers with up-to-date resources, lesson plans, and training opportunities to enhance our teaching methods and stay informed about new educational trends.
Do the usage of digital material essential in learning season?
Well, in this 21st century era, digital materials are crucial in learning sessions. These are because digital materials such make learning more engaging and dynamic compared to traditional methods. Next, digital tools can adapt to individual learning needs, providing tailored exercise and feedback to improve comprehensions. And lastly, Learners can access digital resources anytime and anywhere, allowing for self-paced learning and accommodating different learning styles.
The use of digital material really help teacher in successfully meaningful learning activity. Hopefully, this participation will give us a little bit of inspiration in creating excellent and balanced human capital in terms of physical, emotional, spiritual, wholeness, and intellectual. That all from Arazi TV. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.